Hello guys, today we are going to talk about Python Pandas input and output operations. So in Python Pandas, in Python Pandas we have variety of things which you can import. So for example, you can import pickle file, table, CSV, FWF, Clipboard, Excel, JSON, HTML, XML, HDF, feeder, Parquet, Org, SAS, SPSS, SQL table, SQL query, SQL, GBQ, and stat. So these much number of files which you can import in your program, and like variety of files can be done. Typically, when you will be start working, you will find most frequent one are pickle, table, CSV, Excel, JSON, and in few cases Parquet. So these are the most frequent one which you are going to see right here. Here you can see the input as well as output functions which are available in your Python pandas, that is read pickle and to pickle. So read pickle will read the file, means it will import the file, and if you want to export in pickle format, then you have to use to pickle. In the same way, you have read table, and then read table, read CSV, and when you want to forward it to, so you can say to CSV. Then you have clipboard. In the same way, you have to clipboard. Then read Excel to Excel, and in case of Excel, it supports both the form of Excel. First one is before 2003, that is Excel S, and the second one after 2003, that is Excel XS. So both the formats are supported in here. Now, in the same way, you have JSON files, you have HTML file, XML files, and many more of them. You have big data files as well. Then you have Parquet, ORC, SAS, and many more. So today we are going to see few examples, and these examples will be helpful for you to understand how your Python pandas works. Okay, for reading the files. So very first example which we are taking is we are picking up the data from this particular location, and at this location you will find that I have a TSV file, that is tab separated file, and I am reading this file using read CSV, and then I am printing the data which we have read from it. So now important thing right here is we are specifically telling that my separator is tab. Okay, if you will miss it, then you may get error in this particular case. So I hope you know how to pick up the data from GitHub location, and typically in raw format. Okay. Second example is where you have your data, and that data is in pipe separated format. So what you are doing right here is you are taking data from one particular location. This is user file. Right here you can see that we are taking pipe separated things. So apart from URL, you are taking pipe as a separator, and we are performing indexing on column user ID. So here we have the data. So this is my data, and on user ID I am applying my next one is where I'm taking my data, and that to be in CSV format. Now in this typical case, we have already picked up the file from our local drive. That is right here you can see this. Then when I'm running this one, I got my complete data. Okay, I got my complete data in tabular format. Okay, so Euro 2020 team.csv file we have in our folder, and we are importing that particular file directly right here. In the same way, you can import your data. Okay, you can import your data, and you can convert that data using two underscore pickle, and then you can work on it. Okay, so we are going to see both kind of things. Like, first of all, we are going to see that how we are converting the uh, existing dictionary. Okay, we are converting this dictionary into pickle, and then we are reading it into pickle. So here we are first converting the data into pickle. This is my data, and we are converting the converting it into data frame using passing it dictionary right here, and then we are reading this particular file, and you will find that this pickle function helps me to read this particular data. And then after my pickle file is created, see the right here my pickle file is created. So after creating the pickle file, I am reading it with read pickle. Okay, so both operations we are performing, and that to be in one particular file. So this is my output file for pickle. I will just repeat one more time. What I have done right here is I have taken one dictionary. Okay, I have created one dictionary. Then this dictionary I have used for creating a data frame. So pd.dataframe right here, and data frame name is data right here. And then I am converting that particular data into pickle. So I am converting it into pickle. So this is my pickle file, and then I am again, after creating this pickle file, I am reading this file, and I am also displaying the data on my output, in my output. Next one is my table. Okay, now what I am doing right here is I am taking the data in tabular format. Okay, I am taking the data in tabular format, and then I'm printing it. Now, good part of this is like you have to keep your, you can pick up your CSV file, you can mention the delimiter in that, and then using read table, you can perform this particular operation. So this is about your read table. Okay, now next one is we are taking that is read XML. Okay, so using read XML, you can read the XML file. So right here you can see we have taken one XML file, that is foodstore.xml. Right here you can see this foodstore.xml right here, and this foodstore foodstore.xml, like from this particular location it is reading, and we are also displaying the output. Now next one is where I'm reading the file right here, like df.html equals to read pd.read html, and in bracket I am giving the name, that is Euro 2012 team and html. Okay, and then I'm displaying it. So this is for your HTML file. So if you have a file in HTML format, then in this way you can read that particular file. Same way, if you have a JSON file, so right here you can see we have a JSON file. So this JSON file you can take, so df underscore JSON, and then pd dot read JSON, and right here I am giving my JSON file name. Okay, and then I am printing it on console. So right here you can see This is my output. In the same way, we can perform read operation on both type of Excel files. So first one is df.xls equals to 2_excel. Function remains same. There is no change in function. Only thing which changes right here is name of your sorry, not name, extension of your file. Okay, so extension of your file changes on the for converting the file. Okay, so right here you have df_xls to Excel. To Excel is not defined, so that's true. That is pd dot to Excel. And last one is, which we are taking right here, is that is what it is saying. Okay, sorry for that. So it is read Excel. Okay, now what we are doing right here is, again it is giving error with respect to, okay, it is looking for one library. So right now I'm ignoring this particular thing. Let us take the another one, that is DataFrame XLSX equals to pd dot read XLSX, and now I will give the name of my Excel file. So I'm copying it from here, so there will be no spelling mistake. So this is my XLS file, and then I'm printing this particular output. So what error it is giving now? No such file or directory. No such file and directory. XLSX. So it is XLSX. So this is my output. So what we have done is we have performed read operation on variety of files, and now in the same way, okay, in the same way, if if I am taking one particular file like euro.csv, for example, okay, so what I can do is my DataFrame underscore read. Okay, let us take Excel, and then I want to convert it into CSV. Okay, let us see Clipboard first. So Clipboard will copy the data in my Clipboard. Clipboard means right now your Control C, Control V when we perform this operation. So the data is copied in my temporary memory. So in the same way, it will perform the same. So df dot to clipboard. So it is giving me error. It is saying Pickle could not find the copy paste mechanism for your system. Okay, so it is like we are using collab right now. That's why it is giving error for that. That it is saying that there is no mechanism for copy. So when you will be working on any command prompt type of thing, then definitely you can you can perform it. Okay, now you have DataFrame Excel. Okay, and right here what you are doing is you are converting it into CSV. So to CSV. So to CSV, and then my file name. So I will say example underscore CSV dot CSV. So the moment I will say so your example dot CSV will get created in your this particular folder. Now in the same way, you can create all the different files. Okay, so first one is CSV, second one can be HTML, then I will say like example HTML, and then I will run it. I will refresh it. So my example.html is now available. In the same way, when I say df underscore Excel and I want to convert it into JSON, so I will say like example underscore JSON. So my JSON file will be created. Then I want to create. So my JSON file got created. Now next one is I want to create so I want to create XML file. So example underscore XML dot XML. So it will create XML file. And next one is what error it is giving. Invalid tag unnamed 0. Okay. So let us try for another one. So df underscore xlsx, and then we can try for to CSV. So you can create example dot CSV. So my CSV will be generated. Now we have seen one operation. We have seen only one operation of Pandas library, and that to be import and import, export, or input or output operation. And I hope you understood this particular thing, that how to import and how to export the data. We have tried to take as much as possible examples. So we have gone through read CSV, read table, read CSV, read table. Then next one is my pickle, then table, then XML, then JSON, then Excel, both type, and much more. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this particular video, and if you have liked this particular video, please like, subscribe, and press bell icon, and give your or share this particular video with your friends and your colleagues. Thank you very much.